Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to open up some fan mail, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing with the Lawn General custom rebuild. But today what I got done was the steering rod here. I used across. I got this welded on, and I got the engine sitting up there. It ain't bolted down or nothing. I think the suspension is going to work out pretty good. And I got the transaxle temporarily welded on here. I got the brackets welded on front and back, and I just got a bolt holding that on each side right now. But I got to get some braces from right here, like starting right here, then it comes up here to the top, and then I got to do the same thing over here on this side. Bring it up here to the top, so then there's no movement back and forth. And then pretty much after I get all the braces done right here, get some braces made so this doesn't bend around and stuff. After I get all that done, then I got to get some braces going back and forth between the frames so it doesn't twist too much, and then figure out how I'm going to get the pipes ran. And the only problem I think I might have is the steering. How I'm going to hook the steering wheel up and actually make the steering work. I'm going to have to run a rod down underneath here and link it up somehow, but I got to keep it away from the engine shaft down here too somehow. So that's going to be kind of interesting to see how that works. And here's what it looks like with the seat on it. It's starting to look more and more like I don't know what you'd call it, a trail mower or something like that, some kind of trail cart. But I'm going to have the fenders and stuff, well, not the fenders, but the place where you put your feet. I'm going to have a rail coming down here at an angle, and then the pedals up here and stuff all mounted. So yesterday I finally got my first bit of fan mail since I've had my YouTube name Custom Karts, and it's from Twisted R Racing. So thank you very much, Twisted R Racing. I believe they're stickers, and I'll show you guys what they look like here quick. Alright, so here we go. Twisted R Racing. Stacy Reeves. Thanks, man. Thanks for the stickers. I really appreciate it. And yeah, anybody else, if you guys want to send me any fan mail or anything, feel free to send me anything you want, really. I love getting fan mail. I mean, this was really exciting to get a letter in the mail from someone. So thanks again, man. Alright, well guys, I hope you enjoyed that short video. I just want to give you guys an update on what was going on with the custom rebuild, and share that letter with you, those stickers. And yeah, I really appreciate those. If you guys want to send me any fan mail, hey, feel free. I really appreciate all that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and check back for more later. See ya.